In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to make beautiful butterfly made in Romanian point lace technique. For work you need mat, crochet hook, scissors, black beads, sewing needles, balls of yarn, pins, picture in real size and mat. Let's begin the work. Now let's make the cord for the butterfly. I take the thread 3 times, make a chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and so on. Now I am going to make a trim for it. The length of the cord is determined by pattern. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook and make single crochet. This chain will be a burden for the cord. Make single crochet around this chain. Like this. Let's repeat again. Here what we have. So continue working in this way till the end of this cord. For the butterfly I will use the thicker cord. For this cord I made a chain of double yarn and make single crochet around the chain. In this case I'm going to pin at this base. Then you should pin all ready cords, sew places of contiguity here, here and here. Then you should make cord from tutorial 47 of Crochet Lace 3 playlist and pin here. Then you should crochet the second cord. For this you should use another color of yarn. Sew places of contiguity. Then you should sew the wings to the main part of the butterfly or body part. As you can see, I have already pinned my all cords. Sew places of contiguity. And this is the body part of the butterfly. Here is our wing. This is the second side. Now I am going to work with inside part of the wing. I have done the left wing of the butterfly. Now I show you how to fill up the right side. Begin from the top part. I'm working with this part. With the needle, went through the stitches of the cord. With the needle go through the stitches of the cords. Let's make simple stitches. I didn't sew this cord, I just pin it. We skip 1, 2, 3 stitches. With the needle go through the third stitch of the cord. I use pins and pin this part. We skip 1, 2, 3. Work with the 4th stitch. The working yarn is under the sewing needle. Pin the next stitch. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. The working yarn is under the sewing needle. And pin it. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. I have done the first row. With the needle go through the stitches of the cord. Let's make the second row. Make 3 stitches into the stitch of the previous row. Make the second one. And make the third one. Like this. Continue working with the next one. Two and 3. I remove all pins. Work with the next stitch. Make 3 fill-in stitches. One, two, and 3. I pin this part like this, so continue working in this way till the end of this row. I have done the second row. Let's complete it. With the needle, go through the stitches of the cord. Begin the third row. Pull a little bit. With the needle, go through the stitches of the cord. Begin the third row. I continue making 3 fill-in stitches into the stitch of the previous row. I remove all pins. One, two, three, work with the next stitch, make 3 fill-in stitches, 2 and 3. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. Then you should make some rows more. You should make fill-in stitches till this line. Then I show you how to change color of yarn. I have done mesh. I have made mesh of black color of yarn. I didn't cut off this yarn. Now I just change color of yarn. In this case I'm working with white color. With the needle, go through the stitches of the cord. With the needle, go through the stitches of the cord. We begin from this point. Let's begin the work. Begin the next row. Make 3 fill-in stitches into the stitch of the previous row. One, 2, and 3. like this. Work with the next stitch of the previous row. Make 3 filling stitches into this stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Continue working in this way till the end of this row and make some rows more. You should make filling stitches till this line. I have done some rows. I finished at this point. Then I went through the stitches of the cord. Now I cut off this color of yarn. I took black color of yarn. With the needle went through the stitches of the cord till this point. Now I am going to fill in up this small space. Make 3 filling stitches into the stitch of the previous row. 1, 2, and 3, like this, and continue working. I have done this part of the wing. I remind you, we was working with 2 colors of yarn and made 3 stitches into the stitch of the previous row. I removed all yarns along the cord and cut off it. Continue working with the next part of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.